Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video, and welcome to a slightly unplanned video actually, on a very rushed purchase, which is this, my 2005 Audi TT. Now, to give you some context, I owned a silver TT a couple of months ago. It was the 180 version, and after owning it for a few weeks I sold it, but the plan was to keep it for longer than a couple of weeks and use it as my daily car because the S3 was being repainted and I didn't want to use the RS3 as a daily car. So once that TT had gone, I began to toy around with the idea of purchasing another one. This came up, and the colour is of course Marmite. Some people really hate it, some people love it. I actually think it really suits the car well. The backstory I was given was the previous owner wanted the car to match his wife's TVR. So he went to the pain, well maybe not him, but he had a company completely strip the car down and repaint it. Everything is repainted. The engine bay, the door sills, everything. So the colour kind of drew me in, but then this is the 3.2, so it's the VR6 engine from the Mark IV Golf R32, and it's manual, and it's only done 68,000 miles, so it's a relatively low mileage manual car, which are harder to come by these days. They're not necessarily rare. You're definitely not going to find one with this low mileage in this condition overall. So let's talk about that a little bit. The paintwork is in good condition overall. There are of course a couple of little marks showing its age. This is a 16-year-old car now. The interior is just unreal. It's really good condition for its age. The passenger seat in particular does not look like it's been sat in ever. Nothing else to really report. The exhaust is still standard. I believe on these the exhausts were valved from standard, so I think at 3000 RPM the valves open up a little. You don't get a huge increase in sound, but even at lower revs it still sounds great. It's definitely a car you have to kind of get up there. It's quick. It's actually quick, you know, it handles well. It is lowered, so the previous owner had lowered it on H&Rs, which coincidentally are on my S3 as well, and that's really helped with just it not feeling so wallowy, because some TTs have a real well, it's not an issue, it's just more of a weird design thing where sometimes they sit really high at the back and it just looks strange. But that's it really. It's a great car. So what I thought we'd do is we'd go for a bit of a drive. I'm going to try out the POV again, and then we'll pull over somewhere and just do a bit of a recap. Hi guys, welcome to my office. Bit of a change of location. This is where I edit videos and do a whole host of other things business related. I didn't record an ending to the video you've just watched. You may have noticed from the B-roll at the very beginning that I had a guest with me. She insisted on coming along, and I don't want to deprive my children of an insight into my creativity, so it is what it is. And for reasons that I won't go into, we had to end the day abruptly. So this is the ending. One thing I didn't touch on during that video is the TT is for sale. No real reason, there's nothing wrong with it. It's more so because I need the space. I kind of jumped into the TT around the same time that the S3 was completed. So I now want the S3 back, but can't because I don't have enough space. And there's other cars there already. I won't bore you with any more of the detail, but I've decided that if I'm going to sell any of the cars, it has to be the TT. It is a really, really great car, so do drop me an email or reach out to me via Instagram if you're interested. And if you are serious, then of course you can come check it out, etc. We'll meet in a mutual place. And that was all I really wanted to say and to end the video. So maybe I'll make more in here in the future. I can tell you a bit more about what it is that I actually do in here, and maybe give you an office tour. Who knows? But until those videos, guys, I hope you all have a great week, and please do remember to subscribe, comment, like, all that jazz, and have a good one. Peace.